Look at. Dead again. Have to get my top down battery tester. I really didn't even plan that. Alright, it's telling us it's got 10.52 volts in dropping, so there's no sense of doing a battery test because it's just gonna, oops, I think this is a regular flooded 800. Charge and retest. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. It's charging good. 14.3235 volts. So I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna say the battery's probably gonna be going bad, but I'm gonna run it today and then I'll test it when I get home. Alright, I ran the truck all day and that battery never came back. Even when I parked it, it was still dead. So, brand new one. I actually stole it out of the Duramax. We'll pretend I bought it though. But the link for this tool is in the description. They actually sent this to me for me to use, and I actually really enjoy this tool. It has tons of functions and stuff, and I'm going to continue to use it in videos, and every time I use it I'll put a link in. But this is a really great little tool, and I keep it in my electrical bag every time I go somewhere because it is a voltmeter too. I mean, it does a lot. But go down the link in the description if you want it, and you guys can go and see all the functions it has and stuff. It's fairly inexpensive too. But yeah, all right. We're going to take this golf cart and trade it for a truck. And you might like it, you might not like it. All I know is I don't use this golf cart anymore, and it's sitting in the backyard. This guy really wants it, so got the 6.2 crew. We're gonna go pick up the new truck.
Like a Jeep doesn't come.
Woo! Yeah! Yep, that's right. It's back. For your new subscribers, this truck I've already owned. It had a wheel lift and everything on it, and I took it off and I actually sold it. I traded it for a Duramax. And then the guy, while he was looking at this truck, saw the golf cart there and he wanted it, and I didn't want to sell it. And then the other day he texted me, he goes, I'll trade you that golf cart for the Squarebody back. And I said, I thought about it for a couple days and I said, all right. And here it is, it's back. Did literally nothing to it. Drove it on the trailer. So, yeah. It's not a bad old truck. 1984 Chevy C30. I put a Yeah, it had a 454 in it. When I got it, it had nothing, but it did have big block 454, and the last owner took it out, and then I put a 350 in it. The new clutch and everything. So, yeah, it's back. Just thought you guys would think that's pretty funny. I brought it down here because I got rid of the dump truck. I got one more junk for the auction. See you later, GMC.
It's smoking. Oh.
I actually kind of forgot how nice of a truck it is. It runs really good. Like really, really good. See, it had a spot for a winch on the back. This is where the wheel lift went. I was just going to put a hitch there, but I don't know. If you love something, let it go. If it comes back, got to keep it, I guess. This is a good spot for it, though. This is where everything's going to end up anyways. It's down here stored, so. Alright. Let's go on to the next project of the day. Get the pleasure of dragging this beauty home today. Beautiful. First gear. Alright, 6.2 crew did good. Cougar made it home no problem. So it's actually been a couple days, as I forgot to mention it when I got home, but yeah. I mean, a little slow, but she gets the job done, and it's pretty good on fuel too. My girlfriend said I'd have to get rid of it if I didn't start using it, or she told me I should get rid of it because I don't use it enough, so I decided to just use it every day. Woo! 454 rodeo. This big girl on the ground. Ugh. Well, I guess that's the end for my poor old Harbor Freight winch. Damn it, this is a shitty day already. Look what I did to my trailer. I thought when I put it on this trailer it fit. But I guess not. I'll take the fender off. Alright, taking the old Blazer to storage. I'm tired of walking around it. See ya! Wow, that rolled really easy, very far. Nice. For sale. Anybody wants it? Cheap. There you go. Got one more treat for you guys. Gotta bring this big girl home. Joys of snaking a big trailer through tight roads. There's somebody stopped down here too. Oh no, the bridge is probably closed. Oh, it's moving. My favorite spot. I always forget to mention the name of it. It's at the Gelstein House, and then you got Goodspeed Opera House. Then you have the Swinging Bridge. Steel deck swinging bridge. Oh man, this is gonna be tight. Connecticut River. Beautiful. Gotta get out there this year. This isn't a real heavy trailer, so it's not too bad. It's only like 7,000 pounds, 8,000 pounds. So, not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna go back to play my music. Made it home, no problem. Look what happened. Because my driveway is such a pile of garbage because it swoops down like this. I just talked about filling it in, and I should have ripped that off somewhere. I don't even know where that came from. Where did that come from? Oh, there it is. There's one pipe. Hope I didn't hurt the tank. Oh no, it must have just been the gray water. Damn, more work to do. Apparently ripped off even more than I thought. I don't know where that came from. Great. So I'll be repairing a septic system. Oh! Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video on the 6.2 Crew. Still a useful truck, very useful. So still brings home the bacon, which is nice. And somebody asked me if I sold the S10, which, you know, that's a hard no. Never. I would never sell this truck. This truck will die with me, I guarantee you that. Especially because of the following I have on YouTube with it. You new subscribers aren't going to know, really, unless you watch the videos, but this truck was my first ever series on YouTube. Was you know, saving this truck from the scrapper and bringing it back to life and driving it. I drive the hell out of this truck. I love it. So no, the S10 didn't go nowhere. This never breaks, so I don't have any videos to show you because it doesn't break. I just keep driving it. I got some really good mail. You guys are really generous in sending me stuff, so we're gonna have a video. I'm gonna have to find something to do on it. I'll make a video and we'll go over that. But Anyways, alright guys, comment down below, tell me what you think. Hit that like button for the old 6'2" crew, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.